What you welding?
New panhard mount, or no, sorry, new coil bucket. It's for the coil spring. Show you. Yeah, Brian's in panhard. I'm doing coil bucket. See, this goes right here.
Nice.
Pretty sexy looking mount, eh? Don't need much on a little Samurai. Throw them together with duct tape and tin foil in the hole. So it's Friday in the shop. Just me and my daughter today. She's been learning how to weld, and also it's colder than a whale digger's butt on the Klondike. Whew! But we're getting her done anyways. Samurai's coming along. She's helped me get all the old mounts ground off and sanded down to fresh metal so we can do some welding and plate attachment, stuff like that. So anyways, show you more here in a minute. So what we've got here is the coil bucket mounts for the Samurai. They're just a round plate being cut out with a torch, grade 8 bolt welded through. This is the retainer clip. I did not make these, but it's a great idea. So basically this sits in here like this, and the retainer clip goes up through. It all sandwiches together like this, and then this plate will weld onto the frame into a bracket that we make. But it actually works really well the way these sandwich in there, and it all tightens down with just a nut, and it holds it really well. This is actually just a coil spring for a King or Fox style shock, but it works really good as just a coil on a lightweight Samurai. So show you when it's done. So we've got the coil bucket kind of mocked up in place. Got my 90-degree magnet just kind of holding it there. What we need is, for the proper spacing, according to spacing there on the coil bucket and panhard mount on that side, we need to match it over here, which would be 4.5 from center panhard to center of bolt here. That puts us right where we need to be on both sides. This is driver's side, obviously, so it's ready to tack on. Show you after we get it tacked, and then we've got some braces. They're gonna go in here to keep it all tied together, make it strong, replace what was there. Basically the same design, just this is all out of 1/4 inch rather than 1/16 inch sheet metal. So coming along, the coil bucket in place. Got to get the top plate put on and weld her up. Anyway, it's a little overkill, but it's gonna work good. Voila, there we go. That's what it'll look like with coil spring and panhard rod installed. All welded on. Ready for paint on this side. Kind of already showing you some of this stuff, some refab. This is what we've done. The panhard on this also was like 1/8 inch sheet metal welded and barely welded. I mean, it was bird poop welds. Same with the coil bucket mounts. They were also sheet metal with a 1/4 inch plate. Here I just reused this round piece to attach to. It's got a grade 8 bolt welded through it. These cool little shim pieces that keep the springs centered. It's kind of a awesome design in that manner. I love it, but this is all rebuilt. Just got to move on to the other side and then onto the rear. Pretty exciting project though. Me and my brother ran Samurais and Toyotas and Jeeps our whole life, and it's been a blast, but it's exciting to get back into a Samurai for sure.
What you up to? What you up to?
Building suspension plates and frame braces for the Samurai. Chopping up some 1/4 inch flat bar. Getting some more work done on the Samurai. Working on the passenger side suspension mounts. Coming along. Mark here is going to be center line of our coil bucket mount. These, back up a little more. These are our frame gussets to strengthen the frame for the coil bucket. But see how it's rounded. We want to try to match the profile, sort of, since we don't have any plate big enough to cut this profile. So what we're going to do is overlap them like this, because otherwise it'll be like that, and that just looks silly and defeats purpose. So we're going to overlap it, and then you're going to mark it for me right there. And that's where you'll know to go cut it for me. So. Okay.
Yeah, you finish. That's kind of the same method. Use your strong hand to squeeze trigger, the other hand just put pressure against it. Keep your head tilted over here so that you can see what you're doing. Yep. Put pressure against your right hand. Keep your fingers out, right? So turn your hand like that. There you go. Now you gotta tilt it up nice and flat, like this. There you go. Put your head over here so you can see. There you go. You're tilting again. You don't have your head over here so you can see what you're doing.
There you go. Got the new frame brace plate tacked in on the passenger side. Try to get some footage in here, kind of dark today. Sorry about the lighting. We're working on that, trying to get shop updates as well. So anyways, watch for more updates on the Samurai. Thanks for watching.